Sommer is
a concept in a restaurant where we wanted to design to be a relaxed approach to fine dining, whether that be from the service to the playlist in the restaurant, fine dining element being, the end result on the plate. I'm Lewis Barker, the chef of Sommer restaurant, Singapore.
My cooking philosophy is...
We don't try to repeat any of the dishes, but what we can do is take certain techniques from each season that we might have used and change the flavour. Obviously we're only 18 months old, so we haven't shared that many years of different seasons and repeating any dishes, which is what we try not to do anyway. Of course, it's always nice when you see the guests enjoying. I mean, that's what you want, and that's what we work hard to do, is to give 100%. We're achieving what we come to work to do, which is to give our all to our guests and make sure that they have a really great experience at the restaurant. So the dish that we're going to do today is a black truffle scorpion hock. So it's using the Western Australian black truffle. We're going to incorporate that with 1664 beer as well. Two elements. So we got the little grello yellow onion, which we're going to peel, which we've done here. And then we're going to blanch them down in the 1664 Blanc. So it's a beer braised onion. So it's a layered pasta with a chicken, tarragon and truffle mousse. We've got a white garlic puree which we braised down with the 1664 beer, as well as little mini grello onions, which are cooked in the beer as well. We've got aged parmesan, which we incorporate into the dish in the form of light velouté, which is cooked down with 1664 beer also. And then we're just going to finish with a little confit egg yolk, and then we're going to shave some of the Western Australian black truffle on top as well. I mean, the best part for me of the day is always when I'm in service. All the work that's gone into the morning and the afternoon preparation, going from the kitchen, it's developing and building on the plate as a dish, and then it goes out into the dining room where the guest is able to receive it. So I usually wake up around 7, and then from there, obviously, I get ready, I make my way to the restaurant. I arrive where we start the preparation for the day. We discuss with the team on the jobs that we need to do and what we've got to do for the lunch service. This is the onion jam for the chicken liver tart.
Doing the Dao Primo, main dessert of the chocolate.
Vegan dish, so cherry gel.
Pasta, oyster pasta.
Around 11:30 we'll stop for a briefing, and then we get ready and we go into the lunch service where we'll spend the next few hours cooking. We'll finish lunch service around 3:30, and then we'll come together and we sit down for staff meal.
For me, staff meal means
30 minutes of time together where we can just relax, so that's always a nice moment. Beer's always a joyous occasion, I feel. So on a Saturday night we'll finish our deep clean, and it's usually pushing 1:30 a.m. We come together, we cheers a beer together. It marks the end of a week, So we've got a really small, tight-knit team at Sommer, and we're a real close family. We bounce off each other. We share the good days together, we share the bad days together also. Some days are difficult. It's about how you approach it and overcome it, deal with it, organize yourself. And it helps us to grow as a restaurant as well. And it's nice to be able to share that together with them guys in the kitchen, yeah.